Good morning, everyone. We're taking a look at the Nasdaq banking sector. The Nasdaq banking sector. We're taking a look at the leadership stocks that are overbought in this area. And we can clearly see that there's a list of them, and we can clearly see that the financials have been leading the way. And this is part of the calendar 2013 bull run. We will be taking a look at where the stocks are the most overbought, that when we do have pullbacks, it will go on our buy list, but also on our short list. So we have both lists covered, one for the long side when they pull back, and a short to the pullback where we would want to get out of that and buy it and own it long. So we get paid twice. And we clearly have weekly overbought levels in the stocks. And these are all the stocks in the Nasdaq banking. They go on and on and on and on. And it's very broad based in this index. And this index here is at calendar 2013 highs. And so when we had the bottoms in this index, it's always made the higher highs. But then they have pullbacks when they get overbought, such as this right here. And then they have great longs and they make higher highs. So far, today's date is 2/9 of 2013. We will be looking for the opportunities of where the index will have to pull back. They always pull back when they get overbought. And we're in the overbought zone levels. What we will do is we'll go through each one of the ones that are the most overbought and what the ranges are. Some of them don't even hardly have an intraday range. That's what this column is. But we can sort right under here what the ranges are just by simply sorting the prices out. And that's what we'll do as a group. Okay? And so we're going to get the ones where the risk reward capital risk ratio is 90% in our favor and always the minimum of 10% risk. So that when we do want to buy the good quality names on the pullbacks, that they will get, because they've all had a great run. And it's called the Nasdaq. And what is it? The Nasdaq banking sector at multi-year highs. And it's been part of the 2013 story. As you can see right here where the low was on, once again, the date here is going to go back to the 30th of December, or 1/2 of 2000, the first trading day, but that December move. But this is how it starts on the first day, and we've gone parabolically up, and the tape has been wound up, and the financials are playing a role. Whereas in other cycles, the financials were major laggards, such as two components, the other one being the housing market. Those two are kicking on the cylinders, therefore it provides a great move for the broader markets when the financials participate. And new bull markets can never be developed without the financials and the housing. They have to be working. They've started to work. They've been bid up. People have started to buy them. There still is a lot of risk in banking stocks, but we're just letting you know what that bull rally is. So MMTs, for today's purposes, we're going to take the most overbought ones, because we are, and then we are going to look at the options. We're going to look and see what the dollar percent pullback would be in stocks that are at 52-week highs, so that when they do hit support levels within the broader bull run, that those stocks will be buyable as long as they are narrowed down to the 5 leadership stocks in the complete Nasdaq banking sector.